It's 2023 and you still haven't started creating digital products to start making money in your sleep. I just don't get it. It's one of the easiest ways to have the luxury to make money directly from your home with minimal effort. So now let's get into a few of my favorite digital products that you can start selling this year in order to start making some money in your sleep. What's up, money makers? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and on this channel we talk about all things money. We're going to be going over one of my favorite topics, which is creating passive income through digital products. Now, if you don't know what a digital product is, it's pretty self-explanatory, but here is a good definition for you. A digital product is a digital good or service that is created, sold, and purchased online. And in this video, I will be giving you an example of my 4 most favorite digital products that are super easy to create. So we don't do long intros here. Let's get into it. My first most favorite and easiest digital product to create and sell are what I call digital templates. The best example that I can give you about what digital templates look like is Canva. Canva is an entire website that is built off of digital templates. Basically, what Canva does is allow you to utilize their designs that they've already created for you and to add in your own information. So let's look at some templates that we have from Canva. Canva will offer you documents that you can fill in, such as these. So this is like an event proposal, a project overview, a business proposal. They'll offer you even presentations. So all you have to do is fill in your own information for these presentations that go with whatever you're looking for. So if you are looking for birthday presentations, they have that for you. And essentially what I'm telling you to do is to create different templates, and you could also use Canva to do this. Create different templates where people can add in their own information and it be tailored to their needs. So here's another example. Another example is that Canva has website templates. They're selling the fact that they have creators who have already put everything that you need together, and now all you need to do is add in your own information. And this is especially great for the people that are creatively challenged. But they also have a bunch of different niches. For example, this one is a brown photography retail website. So if you have a retail website that goes with this color theme, all the customer will have to do is add in their own information and their products. So what does this actually mean to you? If you're someone that is, for an example, good at building websites, you can actually build website templates and sell them. Here's an example of someone on Etsy who is selling an aesthetic Shopify theme website. You can even sell business cards, invitation cards, whatever it is that you have the skill in doing where someone would need it and they want to do it quick and fast and in a hurry and just fill in their own information. That's how you could sell your digital templates. Now, the second way that you start making money through digital products are going to be for my more creative people. And this is by selling digital art. I just wanted to show you the type of digital art that sells really well. This is a custom digital pet art that is being sold on Etsy, and what your customer would do is simply download and purchase the graphic design from you. And a lot of the times, many people are selling simple images even without the frame. Here's another example. This is a printable giraffe art for a nursery, and as you can see, it's very, very simple. It's watercolor, and these are going to be just printed off of a computer once your customer purchases it. Now, of course, because these are printable wall art and you're not actually selling the frame, you're gonna sell it for a much cheaper price because you're asking someone to pretty much print it out themselves. But there are plenty of people, obviously, who are very willing just to buy graphics off of line, download it, print it, and put it in the frame themselves. But let's say you want to get into the digital art business, but you're not exactly sure how to do the graphic designs. Well, I have 2 good ways that you can get past this. You can either purchase graphics on places like Creative Fabrica, where this website allows you to purchase graphics, fonts, all types of different images that you could even possibly think of, and sell them. So these are good for commercial use. So if we want to replicate that giraffe that we saw, and one thing that I just want to make you all aware of, that before you download these graphics, you need to make sure that you purchase the POD license, which I believe is around $5. And it's a one-time purchase. After that, when you look at any graphic that says POD allowed or commercial use allowed, then you are allowed to use that graphic without having to change anything to it and add it to your products, okay? So just make sure that you're reading all the licenses agreements before you download it and add it to your products. Or if you want something a little bit more unique and you don't want to use websites like Creative Fab, you can always go over to Fiverr.com and pay someone to create graphics for you. These are products that can be sold on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or even better, Koji. So you might be asking yourself, what in the world is Koji? Koji is the best e-commerce platform to make sales on social media. Using Koji, you will be able to sell literally any kind of digital products such as ebooks, guides, printable, templates, like anything. Let's be real. If you're trying to make money, you got to do it on social media. So you need to be using tools like Koji that allow you to sell your digital products with ease simply by sharing a link. The problem with the old school e-commerce websites like Shopify or Wix is the fact that they require your customers to take extra steps, like having to actually Google your website to find you. And the truth is, customers just don't want to do that anymore. They rather find all of your products in one place with one click. And it actually decreases your chances of getting sales when your customer feels like it takes them too long to get to your products. And this is why Koji is going to be the perfect solution for you, because they'll be able to find all of your digital products and everything that you have to offer, even your physical products, with one click. Plus, Koji has a built-in and easy-to-use creator dashboard that is going to show you all of your analytics. So you'll know what type of products and marketing works for you and what doesn't. The dashboard will tell you everything that you need to know about your fan base, such as who your customers are, where they're from, who are your top customers, which platforms is making you the most money, and much, much more. And Koji is totally free. They only get paid once you get paid by taking a very small transactional fee. So if you're looking for a hassle-free way to start selling your digital products with no website and no sign-up fees, then this is going to be the perfect tool for you. You can go over to my description box below and click on the Koji link and you'll thank me later. All right, now let's get into our third digital product idea. Now this is going to be one of my favorite digital product ideas, which is digital courses. If you're an expert in any field, and I do mean any field, and you have the ability to simply take what you've learned and what you know and then reteach it to other people, then you can create a digital course. For an example, I have a digital course since I love talking about passive income and I'm great with creating passive income businesses. I have a course called Build a Passive Income Empire, where I show you how to create 8 different digital businesses in 2023. So if you're using platforms like Teachable, which is one of my favorite platforms to use, they allow you to upload different slides, to add in videos, and to add in any type of documents as well as quizzes in order for you to teach. Especially if you are a beginner, I would highly suggest uploading them to places like Koji, which allows you to sell your courses directly on your social medias straight from your link. Now, lastly, it's probably going to be the one that you all heard about the most, and it is called ebooks. People are always purchasing and selling and creating ebooks, and it really is a great way to get information out there. There are people like myself who love reading. So ebooks is a great way for you to start to make money. So there are many different topics that you can talk about when it comes to having an ebook. You can do recipe ebooks, you can do educational books, business and finance, you can do novels and nonfiction. These ebooks do not have to be very long. You can be writing 10 pages, 20 pages, 25, 50, 100, 300 pages worth of ebooks. And there's so many different topics that you can do. Whatever you like or whatever you're interested in, many other people are probably interested in it as well. And there are so many people that are consuming ebooks all of the time. And as I told you about before, in my training program, I actually give you in grave detail how to sell 8 different passive income products that can earn you some money in 2023. So if you want to know about that, everything that I mentioned is in the description below. And before you go, make sure you check out these other videos on how you can start making some money.